Hello, what's up guys, welcome to my new brand video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix PUBG server is busy, please try again later, error code restricted area. If you have facing this problem, so how can fix this problem, you have need watch this video and solve your problem 100%ly. Firstly, go back your home screen. Okay guys, after then go back your home screen and enter into the mobile settings. Tap on mobile setting and check your internet connection. Is your internet connection is not properly work, so secondly option, connect to your Wi-Fi device and play your games. And if you have still facing this problem, so secondly option, if you have using iPhone, so just enter into the iPhone storage and click on PUBG and offload your PUBG application. If you have using Android, so just enter into the app management or app application, tap on app list. Here you see loading, tap on app list and search it PUBG game. Guys, PUBG game, so type on PUBG and type on storage usage and clear cache back and click on data usage detail and enable the background data. So the background data, tap on permissions and allow the all permission, location, microphones, storage. Apply this method and finally and last method, go back home screen and enter into the Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar and search it PUBG. You guys search it PUBG and check it your PUBG application is update or not update. If your application PUBG application is not updated, so firstly update your PUBG games and play your games easily. If my video was helpful, so like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching for my video.